Overview of Empire Metals Limited. Company profile. Empire Metals LTD is a UK-based exploration and resource development company listed on the London Stock Exchange's AIM market under the ticker EE. It focuses on multi-commodity projects, primarily copper, gold, and titanium, with assets in Australia and Austria. The company's flagship project is the Pitfield project in Western Australia, a potentially world-class titanium deposit. Location and scale. Situated 313 kilometers north of Perth, Pitfield spans 4 exploration licenses covering 1,042 square kilometers. It's described as a giant titanium-rich mineral system, potentially one of the largest globally. Focus. The company is targeting high-grade titanium mineralization in the weathered cap, with grades averaging over 6% and peaks up to 18% titanium dioxide is critical for the pigment industry, and titanium metal is prized for its strength-to-weight ratio. A major Air Corps AC drilling campaign began in early 2025, consisting of 84 holes totaling 4,340 meters. This aims to test high-grade zones and collect bulk metallurgical samples across 60 hectares. The campaign is funded from existing cash reserves, highlighting financial discipline. Managing Director Sean Bunn emphasized the shift to weathered zones with 80%-90% TiO2 in situ versus ilmenite 60%, underscoring the project's high-grade potential. Tests in 2024 achieved up to 95% titanium recovery, a significant technical breakthrough for processing efficiency. Strategic vision. Empire aims to produce final titanium products, for example, sponge metal or high-value pigments, rather than just concentrates, leveraging proximity to green energy sources like wind farms and a future hydrogen hub in Western Australia to reduce costs. Other assets. Eclipse Gindleby Project, Western Australia. Located 55 kilometers northeast of Kalgoorlie, this project targets high-grade gold and kaolin. It holds a 75% interest. Walton Project, Western Australia, a prospective copper and gold site in the Yarralgie Greenstone Belt. Staveley Project, Victoria, Australia, located in the Staveley Arc, prospective for copper. Austrian Precious Metals. Projects, 3 gold projects in a high-grade region of central southern Austria. Macro Axis, as of February 2025, rated EEE a strong sell based on a 90-day horizon and conservative risk profile, citing high volatility and market risks. However, it noted an information ratio of 0.2 and Jensen alpha of 0.71, suggesting some outperformance potential relative to risk. One analyst, Investors Chronicle, March 7, 2025, forecasted a 12-month price target of 3.20 GBX, a steep decline from 10.60 GBX, indicating bearish sentiment from at least one source. This contrasts with the stock's recent upward trend, suggesting a divergence in views. Risk profile. Systematic risk, market-driven, and unsystematic risk, company-specific, are both present. The titanium market's growth, 2.5% annually, and metal demand outpacing GDP growth offer upside, but project delays or funding issues could weigh on performance. Below-average downside deviation suggests relative stability compared to peers, but volatility remains a concern in bear markets. Shareholder updates. On March 4, 2025, Oberon Investments disposed of 2.2 million shares, reducing its stake from 3.06% to 2.71%. RNS announcement, signaling some institutional repositioning. Recent announcements. March 4, 2025, TR1 notification of Oberon's reduced holdings. February 27, 2025, investor presentation via Investor Meet Company, with a correction issued later that day, indicating active engagement with shareholders. February 4, 2025, new corporate presentation released, emphasizing Pitfield's scale. Share Talk and others linked EE's 6% gain on March 6 to broader titanium sector momentum, citing peers like Capital Metals, CMET, and Sovereign Metals. Broker commentary. Proactive investors and others have called Pitfield a giant system not seen before, boosting hype, though concrete valuation remains speculative until production nears. What investors should know: upside potential. Titanium market. Growing demand for TiO2 in pigments and titanium metal in aerospace defense offers a strong macro tailwind. Pitfield scale. If proven as a top-tier deposit, it could position Empire as a global leader, potentially attracting partnerships or buyouts. Green advantage. Access to low-cost, sustainable energy could enhance margins if production scales. Risks. Exploration stage. Empire is pre-revenue, with Pitfield still in the exploration and metallurgical testing phase. Cash burn and funding needs are critical unknowns. Volatility. AIM stocks like EE are prone to sharp swings, as seen in its 7.15 GBX range over the past year. Analyst divergence. The strong sell rating and low price target contrast with recent gains, suggesting uncertainty or skepticism about near-term catalysts. Key considerations. Timeline. Investors should monitor the AC drilling results, expected in 2025, and metallurgical sample outcomes, as these will clarify Pitfield's economic viability. Management. Sean Bunn's leadership is well regarded, with a clear focus on end products rather than raw concentrates, a higher value strategy if executed. Liquidity. With 642.26 million shares, dilution risk exists if further capital raises occur, though current cash reserves fund the ongoing drill program. Peer comparison. Compared to peers like Sovereign Metals, Rudel, or Capital Metals, Mineral Sands, Empire's titanium focus and scale stand out, but it lags in production readiness. Critical investor takeaways. Bull case. Pitfield's potential as a giant deposit, high recovery rates, and a bullish titanium market could drive significant upside. A 50% YTD gain in 2025 reflects growing investor interest. Bear case. Exploration risks, funding uncertainty, and a bearish analyst outlook, for example, 3.20 GBX target, suggest caution. The stock's volatility could punish short-term holders. Long-term play. Empire suits patient, risk-tolerant investors betting on a transformative discovery. Short-term traders may find the uncertainty less appealing, like follow or subscribe.